Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Let's learn some colors name. Pink color, green color, red color, brown color, yellow color, orange color, sky blue color, violet color, blue color, black color. Now, let's learn alphabets. Alphabet A for ant, A for avocado. Alphabet B for butterfly, B for ball. C for coconut, C for candy. D for dolphin, D for dragon. E for elephant, E for eagle. F for fish, F for fox. G for girl, G for goat. H for hospital, H for house. I for insects, I for ink. J for jackfruit, J for jug. K for kite, K for kingfisher. L for lion, L for lemon. M for mouse, M for mosque, M for mosque. N for news, N for nails. O for octopus, O for orange. P for penguin, P for parrot. Q for queen, Q for quarter. R for rose, R for rabbit. S for sun, S for sunflower. T for taxi, T for teacher. U for universe, U for university.
and with the girls be handy.
W, U, V. V for violin. V for violin. W. W for watch. W for watch. X. X for X-ray. X for Xerox.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle,
Y.
mind
Y for
step and with the
yogurt. Y for yogurt. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Now let's revise again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye. See you in my next video.